In this class we will talk about switch case break. Okay, switch case break statement are a substitute for long if statements. For suppose, what is different between if else and what is different between switch case? If we talk about if else, it use where we have two conditions or three conditions. For suppose, as we already have discussed that if password is wrong, user can be login, user can't be login. If password is right, user can login. Okay, it is if else condition. We have also if else condition, just like use hint and many things. Okay, but in this switch case break system, where you need uh, several kinds of values to apply. For suppose, we talk about birth date. We have many students, and every student has a different date of birth. So we call date of birth. If we type a student name and automatically call its date of birth. Different student has different date of birth. It is several values, okay, which is apply in switch case. Okay, and the basic format for unswitch case is outlined below. Okay, uh, now I'm going to tell you outline below, just like in a flow chart. I'm coming on a flow chart here. As you can see, we have expression. Whatever we have expression, for suppose a grade, I have already created program for it. In case 1, if grade is A, print case 1. If I give expression to grade B, add grade case, it is case B, and print case B expression. Okay, and what condition are matched to what case display to it. Let's have to talk about according to code, how to code our work. For suppose, if expression match in any case, uh, execute that case. Alright, here I am coming in the code section. I have created two programs, and in my switch case it is index 1 script js. Okay, it is index 2 script 2. Okay, I have created two different programs for switch case break. So in first program, first we need to check it out result. Okay, here I have a little bit problem. It is day and I haven't added any code right here. For suppose I want to display id equal demo. Alright, now let me see it. Let's check the error. If you made any error in a programming, how do you check it? Press Ctrl Shift J, you find out what error you have done. It means that enter HTML is null on line number 24 in your index file. Okay, script 1, line number 24. It says that what it is said that it says that script 24 is null. Okay, I added a demo, but Let me see what happened here. But I added paragraph in wrong position. You see here I add it into the body, and you easily find out what problem you are. And here I have a problem. I added a ID. Let me give it here. Script index and script. And today what value